Ever felt overwhelmed by Notion? Like you're trying to navigate a labyrinth of blocks and databases? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to explore some alternatives that might just be a breath of fresh air. Relatable story. I've been there. I thought Notion was the ultimate productivity tool, but after a few months, I found myself feeling more frustrated than organized. It was like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. Defining Notion. For those unfamiliar, Notion is a versatile note-taking and project management app. It's great for creating databases, wikis, and more, but its flexibility can also be its downfall, especially for those who prefer a more streamlined approach. Alternative number 1. Bear. Simplicity. Bear is a minimalist note-taking app that focuses on clean, distraction-free writing. It's perfect for those who want a simple, elegant way to capture their thoughts. Key features: Markdown support, tagging and search, iCloud sync. Comparison. While Bear might not have the same level of customization as Notion, it's ideal for those who value simplicity and focus. Alternative number 2. Evernote. Versatility. Evernote is another popular note-taking app that offers a balance of features and simplicity. It's great for organizing notes, capturing ideas, and even clipping web articles. Key features: notebooks and tags, handwriting recognition, web clipper. Comparison. Evernote is a good option if you need a more robust note-taking solution than Bear, but don't want the complexity of Notion. Alternative number 3. Microsoft OneNote. Integration. If you're already part of the Microsoft ecosystem, OneNote might be the perfect choice. It integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Key features: notebooks and sections, ink-to-text conversion, integration with Microsoft Teams. Comparison. OneNote offers a similar level of versatility to Notion, but with a more familiar interface for Microsoft users. Alternative number 4. Roam Research. Graph-based. Roam Research takes a unique approach to note-taking by using a graph-based system. This allows you to connect ideas and create a knowledge base. Key features: backlinks, daily notes, custom templates. Comparison. Roam Research is a great option for those who want a more visual and interconnected way to organize their thoughts. Alternative number 5. Obsidian. Local first. Obsidian is a local-first note-taking app that gives you complete control over your data. It's a popular choice among knowledge workers who value privacy and security. Key features: Markdown support, plugins and themes, graph view. Comparison. Obsidian is a great option for those who want a highly customizable and privacy-focused note-taking app. We've explored several alternatives to Notion, each with its own unique strengths. Whether you're looking for simplicity, versatility, integration, or a more visual approach, there's an option out there that's right for you. Try out a few of these alternatives and see which one best suits your workflow. And remember, the best tool is the one you'll actually use. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy note-taking.